Do you want to know how you can log into your HMRC Payroll account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your HMRC Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar. After you go to the search bar, go ahead and search for HMRC Payroll Login. Scroll a bit down and click on the second link which says HMRC Online Services. After you click on that link, scroll a bit down and click Sign In, which is shown over here. After you click Sign In, it will take you to the official login portal of Government of UK, and you can see that this is your HMRC Payroll portal. Now, the first step is to write down your government getaway user ID. This should be up to 12 characters. So, make sure that this is correct. After you write down your government getaway user ID, go to the password box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon. So guys, first step is to write down your government getaway user ID, and the second step is to write down your password. Then the last step is to click Sign In. This way, you can successfully log into your HMRC Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you, and same goes for your government getaway user ID. And if you have forgotten both of your ID and password, this is the joint link which you want to link or which you want to click. So guys, this is how you log into your HMRC Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.